Once upon a time, in the heart of India, a hero emerged to rescue the nation from the shadows of stagnation. This hero was not a person, but a powerful initiative known as Make in India. The Make in India, one of the flagship initiatives of the Modi government, completed 10 years on the 25th of September 2024. This transformative scheme launched in 2014 during the first tenure of the Modi government, ushered in big-ticket reforms and played a pivotal role in boosting domestic manufacturing, job creation and foreign investments. The impact has been significant. 119% rise in FDI in 10 years. Over 1 crore investment under PLI Scheme. Surge in exports to $447 billion from financial year 23. Rise in ease of doing business index rank and millions of jobs created. Various initiatives, such as the PLI Scheme, improvements in ease of doing business, the development of industrial smart cities, and more have been introduced under Make in India. Let's explore these in greater detail. Production-linked incentive scheme. The PLI scheme has revolutionized India's manufacturing sector since its inception in 2020, driving output of $130 billion. As of June 2024, this initiative has created over 850,000 jobs, both directly and indirectly, according to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Ease of doing business. India's rank in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index improved dramatically, from 142nd in 2014 to 63rd in 2020. This transformation has simplified regulations, reduced red tape, and made it easier for entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses. Semiconductor push. With the global semiconductor shortage, India has seized the opportunity to become a significant player in this industry. The government has announced plans to invest $10 billion to build semiconductor manufacturing plants, paving the way for self-reliance in this critical sector. Industrial smart cities. The development of smart cities has been pivotal in promoting industrial growth. These cities focus on sustainable development, offering modern infrastructure and technology, which attracts both domestic and international investors. And finally, a corruption-free government. The initiative has also aimed to foster transparency and accountability in governance. With measures like the Digital India campaign, the government has worked towards reducing corruption, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively for the nation's growth. Under the Make in India initiative, many other remarkable achievements have taken place across various sectors. India emerged as a global leader in vaccine production, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, playing a pivotal role in ensuring the global supply of vaccinations. Additionally, the nation made significant strides in the railway sector with the launch of its first indigenous semi-high-speed trains, the Vande Bharat Express, a symbol of India's engineering and manufacturing prowess. In defense, India reached a major milestone with the creation of its first domestically produced aircraft carrier, enhancing self-reliance in defense capabilities. Despite the successes of Make in India, challenges persist, such as bureaucratic red tape, inconsistent infrastructure, and difficulty in securing ease of doing business across all states. Additionally, boosting innovation, skill development, and addressing import dependencies in critical sectors like electronics and defense remain hurdles. Moving forward, India must focus on simplifying regulations, investing in infrastructure, and fostering a skilled workforce to support advanced manufacturing.